This thermostat will make you love your thermostat. It's in millions of homes around the world. It's saved billions of kilowatt hours of energy so far. And that's just the beginning. Meet the third-generation Nest Learning Thermostat. It has a bigger, sharper screen, and it's even better at learning what you like. Just turn it up or down. It will catch on after a few days and create a personalized schedule for you. That's how the Nest Thermostat saves energy. In real homes with real families, it saved so much energy, it paid for itself. To save even more, just follow the leaf. Nest even turns itself down when you leave the house. And you can control it from anywhere. You can see how much energy you use every day, and how to use less. Energy companies all over the world are giving the Nest thermostat to their customers because they know it saves energy. That's the most beautiful part. The Nest Learning Thermostat programs itself, then pays for itself.
What's my favorite thing in the world? Come on, it's these guys. That's why we got Nucleus. Think of it like an intercom, but from the future. Call your family room to room. Hey guys, we have ice cream.
Ice cream! Ice cream!
Check in while you're away.
Ice cream for breakfast. No, guys, that's great. Yep.
Dance move and karate moves combined are awesome.
Oh, that's great.
It means everyone gets to connect without trusting your cell phone with your 6-year-old. Oh, and it lets you disconnect. Nucleus adapts to your family, and it's Alexa enabled, so you can play music, hear the news, check the weather, and more. Nucleus. Better.
Welcome to Skydrop. You have made an excellent choice in choosing Skydrop's state-of-the-art technology to manage your landscape watering from anywhere. The tools and flexibility of the Skydrop controller allows you to manage your watering schedule worry-free. It's just that simple. Plus, you are joining a community of individuals that care about the environment. Doing your part to save water has never come with so many benefits to your lawn and landscape. During the installation of your Skydrop system, we're going to show you what Skydrop is all about. So sit back, relax, and think green. Your dream lawn is only a few steps away. During the installation, your technician will remove your old timer and connect Skydrop to your existing sprinkler system. Don't worry, you're not going to miss that old timer one bit. Next, the technician will input important zone information that will be used to determine the optimal watering schedule for your landscape. Skydrop connects to the cloud to monitor hyperlocal weather data, often from a weather station in your own neighborhood. And because your zones are independent of each other, Skydrop will create a watering schedule perfectly suited for each zone. It's like your own personal weatherman and landscape specialist working together to make your lawn amazing. Although the Skydrop controller is totally customizable, by enabling smart watering and dynamic minutes, you can take full advantage of Skydrop's intelligent algorithms. These algorithms automatically adjust your watering schedule and duration based on your local weather data, saving water and increasing the health of your landscape. Your Skydrop controller knows the rate at which moisture both saturates and evaporates from the soil and creates a baseline. At first, you may notice that all of your zones will fully water. However, once Skydrop has created a baseline, it will adjust watering programs based on the weather data it collects. Your Skydrop system is a learning machine, and we think you're going to like having a pro on your side. Now that your smart watering Skydrop system is installed and set up, let's review how to get the most from your system. First, to fully customize how Skydrop is managing your landscape watering, you can download the smartphone app for iOS and Android, or log into your account at my.skydrop.com. Once there, you may notice that the minutes Skydrop has scheduled for each of your zones may be more than your previous settings. This is because Skydrop knows it is better to water deeper and less frequently, ultimately using less water. Skydrop knows that watering longer but less often promotes deeper root growth and will actually make your lawn healthier. The high-level summary screen will show you when Skydrop is watering. Sometimes it may show watering consecutive days in a row. Remember that each zone is independent and all zones are not watering at the same time. Your landscape may go through a normal period of adjustment as it gets used to the smart method of watering. Once your landscape is adjusted, it's easy to make zone changes within the app or web account. Simply go into the zone in question and select the Water More or Water Less buttons to make adjustments. Be sure to save when you're done. That's it. Now all you have to do is let Skydrop take care of the rest. No worries, no hassle, no waste.